In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and reopen collectors in Surveymonkey. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step guide will make the process clear and straightforward. Let's dive in right away to get those collectors open and ready for action. To start, go ahead and navigate to the Surveymonkey homepage, which is your central hub for managing all your survey projects. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the projects page. This page is an overview of all your surveys, past and present, and offers easy access to the creation and management tools Surveymonkey provides. Once you're on the projects page, find and click on the survey you want to work with. This click will take you right into the details of that particular survey, showcasing all the options and settings you have at your disposal. At this stage, we want to head over to the Collect Responses section. Spotting it should be easy, as it's clearly labeled and usually located on the top navigation menu within your survey view. When you click on Collect Responses, you'll see a list of collectors you have set up for your survey. Collectors are essentially the methods through which you distribute your survey, like a link or email invitation. Next to each collector, you'll notice a convenient set of 3 dots. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu of actions you can take specific to that collector. Now click on these 3 dots beside the first collector you want to open. From the menu that appears, choose the Open Collector option. This action reactivates that collector, meaning the survey linked to it is ready to collect responses again. You should confirm that this change was successful with a quick glance at the collector's status indicators. Repeat the steps above for each collector associated with your survey. Click the 3 dots, select Open Collector, and ensure each one is set to active. It's a repetitive process and might seem daunting if you have many collectors, but it is crucial for ensuring your survey is open to receive responses through all potential channels you've opted to use. By following these steps, you've successfully managed and reopened all your needed Surveymonkey collectors, making sure every link and invitation you've sent out can once again capture valuable feedback. Keep in mind that reopening collectors is a great way to reignite survey campaigns and continue gathering insights without starting from scratch. That wraps up our guide for today on handling collectors in Surveymonkey. With this skill set, you're now better equipped to manage your surveys more flexibly and keep the flow of information moving smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Have a great day and happy surveying.